familiar faces here in our province, and nakita mo yung mga konting improvements. And we hope that we can prove again to the nation that the province of Lanao del Norte is not only the land of beauty and bounty, but also the motocross capital of the Philippines. So we cannot do this with the support of our riders. Kami naman, we're just your humble hosts. Any comments, any way that we can make motocrossing and racing here in the Mindanao Civic Center as fun-filled and as good as possible, you have our commitment in the provincial capital that we will get it done. So again, salamat kaayo to all of our riders for joining us and starting again the motocross enthusiasm here in our province, especially joining our Araw ng Lanao del Norte festivities.